Hey everyone, having trouble with your manual transmission? Is your clutch acting up and your obd2 scanner is showing code P0805? This code is directly linked to the clutch position sensor circuit, a crucial component that ensures smooth gear shifting. Ignoring it can lead to starting issues, rough gear engagement, or even complete transmission failure. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0805 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components responsible for this issue. Let's dive in. What is P0805? The P0805 trouble code indicates a malfunction in the clutch position sensor circuit. This sensor tells the engine control module, ECM, when the clutch is engaged or disengaged, helping with smooth shifting and preventing engine stalls. Symptoms of P0805 include difficulty starting the engine since the clutch position is not detected, rough or jerky gear shifts, check engine light, turning on inconsistent clutch pedal. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0805. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0805, check these critical components. Clutch position sensor, clutch pedal switch. Location, mounted near the clutch pedal, usually at the top where the pedal meets the firewall. Function, detects clutch engagement and sends signals to the ECM for proper gear shifting and starting. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, usually near the battery under the hood or inside the passenger side kick panel. Function, works with the ECM to process clutch position data and optimize gear shifting. Engine Control Module, ECM. Location, typically near the firewall under the hood or inside the passenger side footwell. Function, uses clutch position data to control engine idle, fuel injection and gear shifting. Clutch hydraulic system, for hydraulic clutches. Location, near the clutch master cylinder, usually in the engine bay on the driver's side. Function, uses hydraulic pressure to operate the clutch. Leaks or malfunctions can trigger P0805. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the clutch position sensor, ECM and TCM. Function, transfers signals. Any damage can disrupt communication and trigger P0805. Common causes of P0805: 1. Faulty clutch position sensor. A damaged or worn out sensor may fail to send proper signals. 2. Misadjusted clutch pedal switch. If the switch is not correctly positioned, it won't engage properly. 3. Wiring issues. Loose, damaged, or corroded wiring can break the signal between the sensor and the ECM, TCM. 4. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM fails, it may not interpret clutch position data correctly. 5. Hydraulic system issues. A leak in the clutch master cylinder can cause incorrect clutch engagement readings. How to fix P0805. Step 1. Inspect the clutch position sensor, check for damage, misalignment, or wear. Step 2. Test the clutch pedal switch. Adjust or replace it if it's not engaging properly. Step 3. Scan the transmission control module, TCM, for errors. Reset or replace if necessary. Step 4. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires and repair them. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0805 code and see if it returns. Final words. A P0805 error in the clutch position sensor circuit can affect engine startup, gear shifting, and overall transmission performance. Checking the sensor, clutch pedal switch, ECM, TCM, and wiring is key to solving this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0476. Exhaust pressure control valve performance. P0477. Exhaust pressure control valve low input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.